are doing the Arizona Ringgold Hot Springs hike that he found. It's about 6 miles.
We brought the kids here. There's gonna be naked people here.
Oh
my god.
Ew. I hope not. It's about 6 miles. 6 miles loop. And it'll take us about like 3 hours. There's a hot spring at the end. And we're wearing our bathing suits. Are you?
Mm-hmm.
You drove 45 minutes from the strip, right? 45 minutes from the strip. We almost missed the exit, but we're here. Arizona Hot Springs. Here we come. Oh my.
Watch for rattlesnakes.
Oh, we're 50% prepared. Let's go. Let's go. We're under 2 overpasses right now, and we went to Vegas for this. Cool. We're in the middle of nowhere. Views on views. Look at that. Views. Nothing. Short people problems. Tall people, no problem.
Back on my knees.
Okay, more. Great. Okay, I jumped. He didn't have to jump. So short. Okay, what is this? Looks scary. It looks scary. Hold up. Okay.
Oh, be careful.
I'm okay. I'm okay. Ooh, looks cool. There's a backpack. I don't know. This is a very cool hike. Wow. It doesn't do justice. Super cool.
It looks like that tiny rock, or not tiny, but that rock is like holding it.
Oh my god.
It looks like it's gonna drop.
That's a terrible way to die.
I know.
That's super cool. Okay, we made it halfway. 3 miles. We're at the lake.
Smells.
Yeah.
Dog.
It smells like wet dog. Oh yeah, it's kind of mushy, but ew, it's kind of gross. Let's stay here. Let's stay further. It kind of smells though. Hi, this boy. He went way too close to the water, and now his shoes are dirty.
Extremely dirty.
I feel like the water used to be all the way up here.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Smells.
I know. Smells here.
It smells like San Francisco.
Yeah. It smells like San Francisco. Stinky. Okay. We made it up. Whoa. Crazy. Kind of scary. Getting closer.
see a ladder, but it's down. Hold on, let's keep walking. Oh, never mind.
How do you feel?
Pretty relaxed.
Worth it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wish there was more springs, but...
More what?
Like hot springs.
Oh, yeah. Heading back. How was it?
It's good. Really relaxing.
There were 2 nude people. There were 2 nudes in there.
Weirdo.
Hey! He did it. We did it.
God.
We're back. And it took us 3 hours, 44 minutes, baby. It's good.
That's a lot of cheese.
So far, good? Oh, yes, I'm glad.